Welcome to Session 4, Rounding, Estimation, and Reasonable Answers. Estimation is controlled prediction, not guessing. It helps you anticipate the sign and size of an answer, choose efficient compatible numbers, and catch a misplaced decimal or incorrect calculator entry before it becomes a final result. To round 6.847 to the nearest hundredth, locate the hundredths digit, which is 4. Inspect only the next digit, 7. Because 7 is at least 5, increase 4 to 5 and remove the later digit. The rounded value is 6.85. Unless you are deliberately estimating, avoid rounding intermediate results. Round 38,649 to the nearest thousand. The target digit is 8 in the thousands place. The digit immediately to its right is 6, so increase 8 to 9. Replace the later whole number places with zeros. The result is 39,000. Estimate 602 divided by 19. 620 are nearby compatible numbers because 600 divides evenly by 20. 600 divided by 20 is 30. Since the original dividend is slightly larger and the original divisor is slightly smaller, the exact quotient should be a little more than 30. Suppose a calculator displays 10,018.8 for 19.8 times 50.6. Round to 20 times 50. That estimate is 1,000. The display is about 10 times too large, so is unreasonable. Recheck the decimal placement and the entered operation before calculating again. Choose an estimate for its purpose. Front-end estimation is fast for sums. Compatible numbers simplify division. Benchmarks such as 1/2 help with fractions. Preserve the original scale and use enough precision to support the decision. When an exact answer is requested, the estimate remains a check, not a substitute. Checkpoint. What is the best estimate of 19.8 times 50.6? Round to 20 times 50. The product is 1,000, so choice C is the reasonable magnitude. An answer near 10,000 would signal a factor of 10 error. Round by locating the target place and inspecting one deciding digit. Estimate with friendly values that preserve scale. Then compare the exact result with the expected sign and magnitude. This simple routine catches many entry and operation errors. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.